Hari Om. Let us learn to install the Surya Namaskar Yajna app, register it, and look at the features of the app and start recording the count of Surya Namaskar. First, you need to hit the Play Store. This is an Android application. And in the search, you can type Surya Namaskar Yajna. Check out the spelling, and as you type, you will get this result, and you can choose this application. So note the icon, it's a Om in between with Surya Namaskara poses all through the perimeter of the circle, and you can hit the install. You accept. Let us give a few seconds for the installation to complete. Now the installation is complete. Let's open the application. So this needs an Adobe AIR, so let us install it. This may take a couple of seconds more. So that's done. Let's click on Adobe IR. So we are done here. So let's go back to the Surya Namaskar application. And now that it has figured out, it has the Adobe AIR. Now we are good. So version is 4.9. So this helps you to do Surya Namaskars and also track the Surya Namaskar account. So you click continue. So if you click on do Surya Namaskars, there is an audio. So you can click on the set of 13 and it downloads the audio and you can play them and do the Surya Namaskars. So it takes around 8 minutes to completely do one set. So let's pause it. Else you can always hear just the audio of all the mantras. Let's go back. So there is a information about all the positions, the asanas and their meaning. There's more information. Always you can check out the website hssus.org//SNY. You have lots of information. Let's go back to the application. And if you hit the back button, you can add the Surya Namaskar account. So it is the first time that you are registering. So it will ask for the email. So let me go ahead and install it. So I will create an email. So let's enter the email address. It's NW. So I'm doing this using my Shakha email address. So nw.suburbs.shakha@gmail.com. And the password, let me just type Shakha because that could be the last name. So let me just log in. So it says member not found. So it's not registered. So let me register it. So if you go to the registration, so let me enter so it's the Northwest.
Tap.
And just let me put my last name. Shakha. Let me choose the age as 20 to 35. The email address is nw.suburbs.shakha@gmail.com. gmail.com. And as it asks the zip code, you have to enter the zip code and hit the enter button or the done button, so that way the city is automatically registered or populated. You can see the city as displays. So if I choose to be a Shaka Balgokulam volunteer, I can always choose that and choose my Shaka, and then I say register. So this is the username and password. So I'm going to use this going forward. So it is successfully registered. I'll go back, add my Surya Namaskar accounts. I'll log in using my and my password would be the last name. So you can see that I have successfully logged in into the application. So now I'll go ahead and click on add Surya Namaskar. So you can see that my Shaka name appears and I click on it and I can see the current date showing up and I can enter a number. So I'll say 13 and say save, and the data is successfully saved. I can go back and check the count. I can always add family members. So I can add my family members, each one of them. I can add them as a volunteer or not a volunteer. It's up to the user's discretion. Also, under the reports and tools, there is a wonderful report that you can drill down. So you can see when I click on the drill down report, I can see the India and United States. So if I click on United States, go to Illinois, I can see my Shaka here, and I can see that there are 6 participants. 3 applications have been installed. I guess like a couple of people have added them as family members. That's the reason there are only 3 installations. There's a good count. It's already being started this year. So if you click on this, you can see each person along with the count. So let's go back. And there are a few others um, um, reporting options which can be explored later. I hope this video was useful and all of us use this wonderful application, mobile application, to do more of Surya Namaskars more regularly and record them. So please spread this message with all the Karyakartas of the Shakhas and Swayam Sevaks and make the Surya Namaskar Yajna event a great success. All the best. Shubham. Namaste.
Tula.